Enjoy perfectly seared steak, delicious smoked chicken, or even charcoal baked pizza on the ceramic Kamado grill. This charcoal smoker grill includes a durable steel stand with handles, making it easy to transport and set up. This grill is heavy, so you may need 2 people to move it. It features a ceramic interior, which provides exceptional heat retention and ensures an evenly heated cooking surface. The stainless steel cooking grate offers ample space and flips open on one side so you can add more lump charcoal while grilling, ensuring even heat distribution and delivering perfectly cooked meals every time. Before cooking food, you'll want to cure your grill to burn off any manufacturing residue and prevent the grill from cracking. The curing instructions can be found in the manual. The Kamado Grill Smoker is easy to use. Simply add newspaper or a natural fire starter, then your lump charcoal and light it with a fire stick. Leave the lid and bottom vent open for 10 minutes before prepping your grill for food. Add your grill grate before the grill is fully heated so it can slowly heat up. When the grill is roughly 50 degrees cooler than your temperature goal, start closing vents down so they are both partially open. Now you can add your food. Close the cover and wait 15 to 20 minutes before checking the temperature. The built-in thermometer makes monitoring cooking temperature simple. The cast iron adjustable top vent and stainless steel adjustable bottom vent give you precise control over airflow and temperature, allowing for a range of cooking techniques from slow cooking to high temperature searing. If it's too hot, close everything down and wait for the temperature to come down. Keep adjusting the vents or adding charcoal as needed. The Kamado grill is self-cleaning. Simply heat it up to 500 degrees for 30 minutes and it will scorch off all the food and debris. Do not use water or any cleaning products. The walls are porous and will absorb any liquids which could cause the grill to crack. If the soup becomes excessive, use a wire brush or an ash tool to remove. To clean the grates, remove them and scrub with a non-abrasive cleaner. Rinse thoroughly before placing back on the grill. The outer surfaces may be wiped down with a damp cloth and mild detergent. It's also a great idea to do some general maintenance like tightening the bands and oiling the hinge at least twice a year to keep it in good working condition. With the Kamado Charcoal Grill and Smoker, you can experience the rich, smoky flavors of charcoal grill with unmatched convenience and performance.